Before we get started, I have to wish my sorors, the beautiful and devastating divas of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated, a happy Founders Day. Okay, so I wanted to give you guys a quick rundown of everything that's been going on. You saw in the last update, I showed you where they put the wrong countertops in. They had the wrong tile in the bathroom. So this has been an experience. It has definitely been an experience. And it's not over yet. It's not over yet, people. It's definitely not over yet. My thing is, again, trying to maintain a positive outlook and a positive perspective on everything, because in the end I know that everything works out for the good. But let me tell you, I would be lying to you if I told you that these people did not test my gangster. That would be a definite lie that I would be telling you if I said that these people did not test my gangster. Yeah. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get into this, and I'm going to show you a couple clips and let y'all see what the goings on is right now, because they tested the Doc's gangster. I tell you. I'll be right back. Watch this. So we're definitely going to start with the positive. We have sidewalks. The driveway is done. Hey, so I'll give them that. They have been working. They have definitely been working. So these are a few things that they have done on the outside. They're still grading the yard. But as you can see, the sidewalks are done. They have covered the columns on the front. They've added siding underneath. These were things that I just noticed coming in the house. And my main focus at this point when I went there was to see if they took these countertops out. So I didn't pay any attention to anything else that was going on. I'm going back now. I completely missed the garage, y'all. I completely missed it. I was getting ready to get in my car, and I was like, oh, shoot, is that a garage door? So I had to turn back around. I had to do an about face and come on back. So they did the sidewalk. They did the driveway. They put the garage door in. You see the garage door opener there. So they did some things. They definitely did some things. We got the garage door opener up on the wall. I don't know what that pink thing is on the ground, but yeah. So they're making some moves. They did some more painting. Again, they paint and then they go back and somebody go and put some white splotches on it again. And I guess this is the paint game. These are still the stairs in that box. Those are still the stairs to the attic that are in that box. I don't know when they plan on putting those stairs in. And you guys also saw, I'm not going to even mention it. Y'all already know. Now check this out. Please check this out. So they came back and just put the wrong towel. I cannot. Lord, I cannot. So at this point, I know y'all probably like, Doc, that look nice. Carolina, what you up, saying something for? That looks nice. It does look nice. It is beautiful. It's just not mine. It's not mine. It is not mine. One of the things that happened during all this stuff, like I told y'all, was a lot of stuff going on. The order that was put in my house, the countertops and all that stuff, the reason why they were wrong, it was because the orders were switched. So the house that is beside mine, that is the stuff that actually belongs in the house that is beside mine. So somebody is still, they're not paying attention, because they're literally, not only do they have to take the countertops out, they also have to replace the cabinets that the countertops were on, because they're going to have to demo those countertops. Same thing for the bathroom. They have to go in and demo that tile and the countertops and the cabinets in the bathroom. So knowing that they have to go and demo that stuff already, especially in the bathroom, you go ahead and put the tiles around the tub like it's supposed to be. You go ahead and put the hexagon tile on the floor of the shower, knowing that this stuff has to be demoed. Y'all. Now, see, my thing with it is, because I don't want y'all to think I'm just picky like that and I'm just looking at stuff to say something about. You know, I talked to the builder, I talked to the sales consultants, and, you know, I let them know, I say, you know what, that's not bad. I actually like what's in there. You know, it just, we'll have to talk about the numbers. Y'all going to have to reduce some things, and you know, we're going to have to do some exchanges on some things. And basically what they were saying is, no, we have to make sure that you have the correct stuff in the house, which I agree with. I have no problem with that. So they said they were going to make sure that everything was correct according to the contract. That means we're going to go ahead, and even though you said that you'll accept these countertops, it's granted, you know, that we already paid a good bit of money for, we're going to go and bust this stuff back out, which is going to result in us spending more money, and we're still going to bring these other countertops and this other tile and stuff that you're supposed to have. So I'm trying to figure out, when I walked in there, y'all, I had an attitude. I ain't lying. I had an attitude when I walked in there, because I'm like, first, anyway, I get into that later. I get into this whole story, because there was a lot of stuff that was happening like behind the scenes, and I'm like, do you think I'm Boo Boo the fool? So anyway, you know, you try to be professional at all times, and, you know, give people the benefit of the doubt. And so I'm sitting there like, no, these people did not put this towel around the tub. I'm like, what are y'all doing? I wanted to be excited, like, yay! You know, they're finishing up the bathroom. And I'm sitting here like, now this is some more mess. It's going to take longer for y'all to demo, because y'all went and put this towel up. And my thing is, if y'all wanted to keep it, that's all you had to say. I told you I was okay with it. I'm like, am I being punked at this point? Like, am I really being punked at this point? But like I said, I'll let you guys know the full story when I, you know, do the behind the scenes stuff after everything is over, because it was some stuff going on. And y'all gonna be like, what? You got to get a stank face. What? That's kind of how, yeah. So I took the video, and I just cut it off. It was a couple other things done. I was like, you know what? Nah. I ain't doing no more videos today. Like, so I went, y'all. I was stomping to my car like somebody stole my bike. I was stomping on the new sidewalk and driveway that they put in. I was stomping like a mug, stomping to my car. Now, keep in mind, the closing date has already been set. We got the dates for the walkthroughs. We got the dates for, dates for orientation. Like, all this good stuff. That stuff has been set. So, we just sitting here, and I'm like, not what are you doing, but what is you doing? Not are, but is. What is you doing? What? So they had already let me know that there was a delay on the flooring. So when I see this other stuff going on, I'm like, we already have to deal with one delay. Now I'm looking at the possibility of another delay, because y'all went and put this stuff in. And then you looking at me crazy because y'all having to spend more money to go and do extra demo for stuff that your crew should have known. And this is the thing, like, in all honesty, when you come into these neighborhoods, especially like the new developments and stuff, and they have new houses coming up, this is one thing that I want new buyers, especially if you're doing a new construction during this time. The buyers this is not a market for us right now. This is definitely a seller's market, especially with new construction. A lot of the new construction companies, the builders, feel like they can pretty much hand you anything. You can either take it or leave it. And the excuse is basically that, they're low on equipment, they're low on supplies, that they got, and I mean, some of the stuff is justified. But you going and just feeling like you can give somebody any and everything when they paid for what? No. But that's pretty much how the market is right now, because the inventory is low. You got a lot of people trying to buy houses. So it's a take it or leave it thing, because if you don't want it, somebody else will get it. Like, that's basically what, oh, you don't want it, you don't like it? We got 50 people on our waiting list right now waiting. And I'm like, bump you and your waiting list. And they didn't say that to me, but that's pretty much what it is. So if you are out there looking to get something built, or even, looking to buy a home, period, do know that this is definitely a seller's market. This is not for the buyers right now. Don't let nobody fool you. You got bidding wars. These houses are selling 20 to 30, some even higher than what they're actually worth. Hopefully a lot of those homes will keep their value. That's actually why I chose to go with the new build, so it can somewhat keep its value versus, just going to get something that I know I'm paying too much for off the rip, and I'm not going to be able to sell it again at that price whenever the market turns around. So just keep that in mind whenever you are making your decisions, or you're planning to do, go and buy whatever. Just keep those things in mind. But I'm gonna tell you, yeah, they sure did. What was it? Yeah, it's been special. It's been special. So I wanted to show y'all the good part first. Like, yeah, they did do the driveway. They did, they got the garage door in, you got the garage door openers and all that stuff. That stuff is done. You got some more paint that has been done. That's good. But y'all are just jacking up with these cabinets and these counters and this tile. Like, what are y'all doing? And if I was a builder, I would be getting rid of some folks, because they are wasting your money. Like, that's all I'm saying. Like, let me just end this. I'm gonna put the picture of the driveway and the garage back up there. We're gonna end on a good note. We're gonna end on a good note. So I got a piece of hair, something that keep going. I don't want y'all to think that I think I'm cute because I keep moving my hair. It's going in my eye and on my lip. And no, I'm not cutting that out. So yeah, so we're gonna end this on the good note. Showing the positive stuff that they have done. So I'm going to put a couple pictures in here, just to, show y'all that at the end. But y'all got to do better. Got to be more careful. If you guys are enjoying the updates on the house, then make sure that you click on this next link. You can take your pick. You got different links to choose from. Click on these links and look at the other videos. Follow my journey. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please make sure you subscribe and like the video. Don't forget to like the video and then share it. Maybe someone else is on a home journey or is getting ready to embark on a home journey and they want to see how this process really is. Because, a lot of people show you the process and everything is cute, but they don't want to let you know that they had a few hiccups. I got hiccups. I got hiccups. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below. Tell me what you think. If you've had some issues that you had to deal with in the process of getting your house done, or some people that had to deal with some issues, comment down below and let me know what you have going on. I'll see you next time. Bye.